Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Concordia. Today, let's talk eyebrows, how to get perfect looking brows. And now, let's begin. So guys, this is how my brows look like without any products, and it's really sparse and thin. So we're going to work on it. So now the first thing I recommend is to use a blade or a tweezer to take out those unwanted hair so that you have a neat and clean base to work with. This is how it looks like when you don't do it. So to get a professional looking eyebrow, you need to shape your brows. Now this is a tip for beginners. I like to use a brush or a pencil, place this at the top of my nose to get the beginning of the brows, to get the arch of my brows, and also to get the end. So if you follow this, you can get a good looking brow. So first thing is to start with a spoolie or a mascara wand. They look exactly the same and they work the same. Whichever you can get, a spoolie or a mascara wand. I prefer to use a mascara wand because it's shorter than the spoolie that came in my brush set. I'm going to brush my hair up and then pick up my pencils, any pencil of your choice, or a brow gel or a brow powder, whichever you prefer. I prefer to use a pencil because it's easier and cheaper. So I work with a sharpened pencil. Just keep on watching and look at how I draw my eyebrows. One tip here is to use light hands when holding your pencil so that your eyebrows don't come out too dark. So you hold it lightly, very close to the tip of the pencil, just far away, not too close to your eyebrows, so that I have control over it. And then I use hair like strokes to fill in my brows. I don't shade my brows, I use hair like strokes. This will give you natural looking eyebrows. And it's best you sharpen your pencil before using it. This gives best results. And now I am also going to create hair-like strokes at the beginning of my eyebrows. And note that I changed the pencil. The first one I used was a little bit darker than this one because you don't want the beginning of your brows to be too dark. It doesn't look natural. So I'm just creating hair-like strokes because you can see I have sparse eyebrows and they are thin, and this is going to give the illusion that I have fuller eyebrows. For my beginners, it's okay to make mistakes. Just take note that you can clean this off with your concealer or your foundation, so you can make mistakes. I make mistakes sometimes and then I just correct that mistakes with my concealer. So pick up that spoolie or used mascara wand to brush in the product with your hair so there are no harsh lines on your eyebrows. So now the next step is to pick up this contour powder. I am going to use this or a black pencil if you don't have a contour powder, and I'm going to use this to focus on the places where the pencil didn't go to and make everything come together. So I'm going to focus this more on where there are not many products. I don't know how I'm going to explain this, but you can see by watching the video what I'm talking about. So I'm just going to use the spoolie to blend everything together. Now to clean my brows, I can use an angled brush like this one. You can get an angled brush or this little brush. This is kind of like a lip brush or a flat brush. This I have two that I like to use, a flat curved brush that is round, and picking up my concealer, I am going to use my flat brush to clean my brows. This will make your brows to pop more. If you don't have a concealer or you don't want to use a concealer, I also use my foundation. It's okay to make mistakes while doing this. Just pick up your pencil or your contour powder or whatever product you use to draw your brow and just correct your mistakes and you are good to go. So the next step is to pick up a blending brush or a flat shader brush, or if you don't have those, you can also use a beauty sponge. This will be used to blend the concealer so it is beautiful, it is flawless, and it is perfect. So you're going to do this, use your beauty sponge or your blending brush or any brush of your choice that you can use to blend the concealer into the lid in preparation for your eyeshadow. Moving forward, I am going to pick up my foundation to clean the top of my brows. Usually I don't do this. I don't do this that often, but for the purpose of this video, I am going to use my foundation. It's best to use your foundation so you don't come out with halo eyebrows where the top of your eyebrows is white and there's like a white mark on top of it. I don't do this. I skip this step because this is where you make mistakes as a beginner or even anybody. So I blended that using my blending brush And now the final step is to apply highlighter. Just apply any highlighter. You can even use your eyeshadow, your shimmer eyeshadow, and that's it. And your eyebrows is done. So guys, I hope this video was helpful, and I hope you can perfectly draw your brows after watching this. I know I'm not that good with explaining some things, but the video, you can see some good tips and tricks in the video that can help you out even without me saying it. So thanks for watching. This is how I do my eyebrows every time, or sometimes I go lighter with just a pencil and it comes out looking good. If you want to see a tutorial on that, let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends, and if you're not yet a subscriber, please hit that subscribe button. Until next time, bye.